So students, today we'll see the base of the brain. This specimen shows the base of the brain. Starting from anteriorly, this is your optic, this is your olfactory bulb, this is olfactory tract, and from here it diverges to from what is known as olfactory stria, and over this area you have got the anterior perforated substance. Similarly, this is your olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, and this is medial and lateral and the medial olfactory stria, and this area what is known as your anterior perforated substance. This is your optic chiasma, this is optic nerve, and then it will form what is known as the crossing over here known as optic chiasma, and then you have got the optic tract. This is behind, this is the pons, this is the base of the pons. These are called as the crus cerebri, and this area which lies over here rhomboid shape is known as interpeduncular fossa. So today we will see the interpeduncular fossa. So what is interpeduncular fossa? It's a rhomboid shaped area which is bounded anteriorly by the optic chiasma, anterolaterally by the optic tract, posterolaterally by the crus cerebri, and posteriorly by the superior, or you can say the upper margin of this pons. So this area is known as your interpeduncular fossa. Now what are the structures which are there? Starting from the optic chiasma and optic tract on either side, if you go behind this area, it is known as tuber cinereum. This area is known as tuber cinereum, and here you have got this broken part which you are able to see is what is known as, over here lies the pituitary stalk, and pituitary gland lies over here. Behind it there are these two rounded bodies known as the mammillary bodies. So these two things, they are known as mammillary bodies, and behind it this area, triangular area which lies in between these two crus cerebri is known as posterior perforated substance. Now in this interpeduncular fossa, these are the crus cerebri. From the medial side of the crus cerebri, this from here the third nerve, that is third cranial nerve or the oculomotor nerve arises, and from this side, from lateral side, the fourth nerve which emerges from the dorsal aspect, and it comes over here. So these are the area, this interpeduncular fossa, normally it is occupied by the circle of the villus. So once again, this is your olfactory tract, olfactory bulb and tract. This is your optic chiasma, this is your tuber cinereum, this is mammillary body, posterior perforated substance, and on the other side this is your anterior perforated substance. These are the crus cerebri, and this is pons.